Hey, good morning. I'm Antoine Gray, www.antoinebuys.houses.com. Today is Real Estate Tip Tuesdays, and on today we're talking about how to sell your house to an investor. Why? Well, investors offers two good reasons that you may want to consider them as an option. Option number one, speed. Typically, a bank is going to take 30 to 45 days in order to close a loan when you're selling your house, and that may not be the quickest option for you. Also, banks may need you to do some repairs to bring your house up to code, and you may not want to do any repairs. So those are two reasons. But you can get the rest of the reasons, the rest of the benefits by going right to my blog. If you click on the link above, or there should be a link in the description below, and you can get more detailed information to see if selling to an investor may be a great option for you.